Hello everybody. Wow, where am I? I'm in the house here. Oh, when we woke up this morning it was -5 and the winds kicked, so I can't get out there right now. In fact, it's too cold for my the hydro shift in my backhoe to get over there and grab a hold of that motorhome. That I keep saying van, but because it basically is a van, it's just a really big van. Anyway, so I thought I'd come in here, sit down in the house, get me a cup of cowboy hand warmer, and talk about the things that I've done on YouTube here on my channel to kind of help try to make it better, maybe. More of this learning the YouTube side by getting my hands dirty too. Well, let's see, what was it? I got my laptop right here. When was that? 3 days, my third video ago. You can see I downloaded Tubebuddy off of Jason's advice, and I gotta tell you, I kind of like it. I'm only using the free version to try it out. For a person like me, maybe a person like you that doesn't know this computer stuff at all, it's actually very simple to use. You notice on my last 3 videos now, my thumbnails have really changed. I'm adding script into them and all of that stuff. On Tubebuddy, they're super easy, super fast. I can crank out a thumbnail like that in less than 2-3 minutes. They got the little. Takes me longer to find the picture than it does for me to actually do the lettering and stuff. So that part of Tubebuddy, totally awesome. What I don't like about it, again, this is me, but for me, I don't like the information it gives. Not that it's not useful. It's probably extremely useful. It's just too much information for somebody that doesn't know computers. And like I said, I'm sure there's a few of you out there that like that. I mean, it'll give you all kinds of stuff. And their tag generator, every once in a while they'll hit a tag that actually relates. Those are the keywords and stuff. So don't get me wrong, it's a very good program and I'm really liking it. But yeah, it's a whole lot of information that it just kind of throws in your face. And again too, if you're like me, you get involved into something like that and it snaps your attention. Okay, I got to get this figured out. I got to, hey, that's why we're car guys. We like to take stuff like that and then figure it out. Figure out how it works. Take it apart. Make it work. And it's too much. And I almost lost my focus looking into that and trying to get that to work. And the focus ain't there. The focus is on the car. Because let's face it, the car, that's the star of the show for all of us. I mean, we're supporting actors in this movie of life in the automotive world, right? So, Tubebuddy, not bad. I like it. I can see where I could ease into all of that stuff that they give you, but don't get trapped in it. I can see that as a time sink for me that I can't have. The days are accounting, and last thing I need to be doing is trying to figure out x plus y equals z over 3. I don't need to know that stuff. What I need to know is that that 460 is going to run in that 58 Ford, right? So, if you get a chance, I'll leave a link down here below. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I don't get squat if you subscribe or if you join them or whatever, if you use their product. I don't get nothing. But I'm telling you, their thumbnail generator, top notch. And I'm going to be using that a lot more. The last one was a little much, and I'll learn to scale it to where I fit. And then I'll work in some of that other information that they give you, because it's a lot. And if you can figure it out, and if it just comes natural to you, you'll explode with Tubebuddy. Me, I gotta feel it out. Anyway, another thing I want to say is there's a fella out there called OutfitsGarage. Oh man, go check this guy out. He's a circle tracker, and he's going to try to get there to Sykeston to throw that car down a straight line. He's doing what is it, not a second, but a third gen Camero, T-top Camero. Go check him out. I'm not going to give away nothing that he's got going there, but I'll throw a link to him down here too, OutfitsGarage. Check him out. Throw him a little subscribe. Ring his little bell. And he's got some pretty cool stuff going on. And look around in his shop while he's panning around. Shh, we're not going to tell him, but he's got some awesome stuff hiding around there. Alright, so go check him out. And if you're having troubles with your thumbnails, give Tubebuddy a look too. Just be careful. It's a whole lot of information for if you don't know this stuff like me. It'll suck you in. And right now, I got to be sucked into the shop and get my butt busy on that 58 so I can get the metal hot. Alright? So, we'll catch you on that next one. And meantime, go check that guy out. He's got something good going on there. Alright, we'll see you on the next one.